not only in the car setup but also driver instruction. They'll actually drive the car for you if you like. You can sit beside and swap seats, have a go, and if you ask really nicely, I'm sure they'll let you sit as passenger in their car too while they take it around and show you how it's really done. As far as the car setup goes, there's plenty of people available. So nobody's going to leave you stranded. You're not going to look stupid. Everybody else starts off that way.
With 2 gig of RAM, 500 gig hard drive, $598. Apple TV, valued at $129 with a purchase of a MacBook.
That you're worried about making a fool of yourself, please don't think that way, because you won't be looked upon that way.
Now, or order online.
Everybody's got to, as I said, start somewhere, and got better